Hello, priceless people, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's a quick shopping haul and a quick living room refresh. I'm expecting guests at my house sometime today, so I've got to do this real quick. So grab something to drink, a little snack, and let's get to the video. First stop was the Dollar Tree. But you know I changed the name to $1.25. And I picked up, as I do every year, I picked up 2 pairs of flip-flops. So when I'm getting in and out the pool, I have my flip-flops. And that's all from the $1.25 store. Then I went to Big Lots and I purchased this multi-purpose hanging organizer with 6 hooks. Quick question, can you really have a shopping haul if there's nothing from Amazon? Drop it down in the comments below. I'm not quite sure about that. But anyway, from Amazon, I have Phantoscope pillow covers, 18 by 18 inches. And it's these. Back it up some. Lavender. Oh, isn't that pretty? Don't worry, you'll see this soon. And these were 2 for like $13.99. And I also purchased, and the name of this is Wall and Scents Cozy Life. Oh, I need to back my camera up. Ooh, you're a little bit too close. Okay, that's better. And I purchased this microfiber blanket to match my pillow covers. So this was about maybe $14.99. And then sticking with Amazon, I have these listen, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. It's KISSENBEZUG. But there are some navy blue velvet pillow covers. Those are gorgeous. And I also purchased by Utopia Bedding a navy blue throw to match. And last but not least, from Amazon, I told y'all this was going to be a quick haul. I purchased 2 pairs of these, and these are by Half Moon, some blue and white curtains. Let me hold that up. And these were on sale. They were originally $139 for a pair, and they were on sale for $49. So I snagged those up. And I have 2 of those, 2 packs, 2 pairs of those. One item from Tuesday morning. It's early in the morning, and I apologize. I'm a little stopped up because the weather changed here in South Carolina. We went from 80-something degrees down to 60 something degrees, and last night was 40 something degrees, so I'm a little stopped up today. But I purchased this magnifying glass from Tuesday Morning for $9.99. Can you see me? And it's marble. So I thought that was cute. So we purchased that. One more store in our very short shopping haul. This beauty. And this was $14.99. Isn't that gorgeous? But I did not stop there. In the same spot, I know I have a slight obsession with ginger jars. Pray for me. Pray for me is all I'm saying. I solicit your prayers on today. But isn't this gorgeous? And this was only $14.99. So look. Oh, yes, yes. So this is the end of this shopping haul. Now to the quick living room refresh. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, welcome on today. And thanks for stopping by the video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Katrina Johnson. And make sure to like me on Facebook at the Priceless Pearl Life. On Instagram, it's Katrina Johnson. Make sure, that's right, you're following me over there as well. Let me take this time to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a servant, and a pastor. On my channel, I share my lifestyle. I love home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, a great tablescape, and so much more. I would like to invite you to take this opportunity to become a part of the Priceless Pearl family. So go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. So thanks for stopping by my lovely Lilac Spring Living Room Refresh. I hope that you have enjoyed it and perhaps picked up some tips or two for your next refresh. My living and dining room spaces are open concept, so whatever I do in one room, I carry it through to the other. So if you have not seen my Resurrection Sunday dining room, make sure to check that video out as soon as you finish this one. Videos are posted Tuesday and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.